I'm Doug Heller. I'm an insurance researcher, and I've been looking at insurance rates and practices in Michigan. And in doing so, I've been able to identify some really concerning facts about the implementation of the auto no-fault law changes that began in 2019 and have been rolling out over the last couple of years. My research shows that for many drivers, especially in Detroit, the new system leaves safe driving, low-income residents getting less coverage but paying higher prices than wealthier drivers around the state who can afford to stick with the higher quality coverage that unlimited PIP and the unlimited no-fault system offer. The point of the reform law was supposed to be to address the high prices that kept so many people in Detroit and so many people around the state in poverty who were having trouble accessing the insurance market. It was supposed to give them a way in. But in reality, all it's done is created a new way for the insurance companies to slice and dice the market so that the very poor pay more. The people with the least ability to afford coverage end up paying the most for coverage. On average, drivers are paying 50% more and getting only 8% of the coverage that most people in the state are getting when they get unlimited PIP policies. So what does that mean for drivers? It means they're less protected if they're in a severe accident. And with Michigan, the history of pricing of the Detroit market is kind of a story that's representative of the problems of the insurance markets around the country. Over the years, Black communities have faced higher insurance premiums than white communities, and this has been a long-standing problem. And what we've seen is that even after a series of efforts, or at least ostensibly aimed at fixing some of the unfairness facing Detroiters, because the real problem, the underlying bias, was not addressed, we still see that not only persisting but amplified in the new auto insurance markets of Michigan. And so that's why it's so important, not just to understand Michigan for the sake of Michiganders and making sure that they're getting a fair price or how we can move there, but also for understanding around the country, what do we do, what do we need to do if we want to address systemic bias?